my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Hey guys, this is Amy Rajput and you are watching Skill for You. In this video, there is an overview of the first chapter of the course Mastering the Adobe Photoshop, whose name is Photoshop Essential. But before going to start the video, download the working files of the course from the link given below in the description. Working file includes registered Adobe Photoshop, photos and wallpapers and PSD files of every chapter. So before going to start, if you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel for motivating me to upload these kind of videos, and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you get notification and can see the video. So without wasting your time, let's get started the video.
Okay, this chapter is all about Photoshop Essentials. And we're going to start with the most essential element of all, the interface itself. Make sense? We're going to look at it, check it out, drive it around the block a couple times, kick the tires, see if we like it. I think you will. Then we're going to talk about how Mac and Windows are slightly but not as different as they used to be, which is actually the good news, and I love Adobe for doing this, going out of their way to make sure the interface looks the same on Mac and Windows. Thank you very much. Then we're going to look at the raster versus vector controversy. And it's not so much a controversy as it is a difference. Photoshop is a resolution-dependent program, which means it lives and dies on the resolution of the image, and we will talk about the things you can and sometimes can't do based on the resolution of the image. And we're going to wrap it up with bit depth. Now, bit depth is the amount of color information within an image. More bit depth, more information, more color, why that's good and why sometimes it isn't. That's this chapter, Photoshop Essentials. Let's go.